Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to sew large heart tote bag with a ruffle. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need gingham fabric for the outside, lightweight cotton fabric for the lining, a 25 mm wide, 130 cm long strap, lightweight batting for quilting the fabric. Cut two 45 cm by 45 cm pieces of fabric. Place each piece on the batting back to back and quilt them in parallel lines in both directions 2.5 cm apart. Fold each of the resulting pieces and cut out the faces of the bag. Before removing the pattern, transfer the markings to the fabric. Cut a rectangle of unquilted fabric measuring 12 cm by 2.5 m long. You can sew several rectangles together to achieve the desired length. Fold the unquilted fabric and cut the strap pieces. Fold the lining fabric in half and cut the pieces. Transfer the pattern markings to the fabric. Fold the 2.5 meter long fabric in half right sides together and stitch the side 1 cm from the edge. Iron the open seam. Fold the piece in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Using the longest stitch on the machine, make 2 parallel stitches all around the piece, 5 mm from the edge and then 5 mm apart without using a backstitch. Pull on the bobbin threads to gather the fabric. The fabric should be the same length as the circumference of the heart. Place the ruffle on the face of the bag, spreading the gathers evenly. The raw side of the ruffle should be positioned along the perimeter of the bag face. Stitch all around 7 mm from the edge between the two ruffle seams. Place the second side of the bag on top of the first, right sides together, and stitch from one mark to the next 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Turn the bag right side out, remove any hanging threads and iron. Take the 2 fabric stripes of the straps. Fold the sides of the fabric stripes over 1 cm on either side of the long edges. Iron to hold in place. Cut the webbing into 2 pieces of 65 cm long each. Place the fabric stripes over the webbing pieces, center it, and stitch both sides 2 mm from the edge. Place each end of the strap over the markings on the top of the face of the bag, right sides together, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Do the same with the second strap and the second face of the bag. Fold the lining pocket wrong sides together and stitch the top 5 mm from the edge. Place the pocket on one face of the bag, lining fabric, right sides together, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Place the second face of the bag on the first one, right sides together, and stitch between the markings 1 cm from the edge. Leave a 15 cm opening on the side of the bag to flip it. Press the seams at the opening. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Flip the outside of the bag inside out and flip the lining right side out. Slide the lining into the outside of the bag and pin in place. stitch the opening all around 1 cm from the edge. Clip the corners and the rounded edges of the top. Flip the bag right side out through the lining opening. Hand or machine stitch the lining opening 2 mm from the edge. Slide the lining into the bag and iron. You can choose to add a snap button to close the bag. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to contact me on my social media.